Alright, what up, y'all? So, it's been a minute since I did any type of audio stuff. But, when people trust you, you gotta come through. So, the Titan is back. I put a little piece up here for the last time I did something in here. But, this time we got a bigger project. We got a lot of wood. It's gonna be a full-on wall in the back. So back seat is gone. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff going on in here. So gonna be taking out all the old wires, laying down new wires. We're doing 2 batteries, one in the front, one in the back. I think it's 2 or 3 amps, maybe 3. 2 18s, and I think it's some mids at the top of the box. I still got to look through everything and really put my plan together, but it's going to be a big project, so stick around. Alright, so after a quick Home Depot run, I loosely got a plan. So for starters, I'm going to get all these boxes out of the truck. So yeah, all of this stuff. So I'm gonna lay all this out, get a good plan, or at least know what all I'm working with. I went to Home Depot earlier, got some screws and some random little bolts here and there. I usually use the bolts like these. These will be like basically the positive and negative terminals coming out of the box. So yeah, brief diagram of what's going on, and made myself a little check-off list. So I'm gonna try to go in this order and see how this go. Try to be a little more organized with this project. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these boxes out and begin the teardown. Alright, so I was trying this time-lapse thing, so if it did right, you saw me getting all of this out. If not, whatever, it's out. So all of this is what we're gonna be working with. So this whole deal is gonna be a box, some type of way to be an amp rack on the floor, and then a spot for that second battery to go at. So this is all the wood I should need. I already got the diagrams and everything that were drawn up. I'll put the guy's name in here in a second. I don't remember it right now, but yeah, all of that's together. Now, let's see this monster. So, this thing is huge. This is my first time ever seeing an 18, so just to give y'all an idea of how big this actually is. Yeah, that's like half of my arm. And we're doing 2 of these things, so DC audio 18, so this is definitely gonna be this is gonna be something. So let me lay this stuff out again. Well, space it out a little bit more, because this box right here is full of wires and I think speakers and all type of stuff. So let me go ahead and get this stuff figured out, and I'll be back with a game plan. Alright, so got everything laid out. New RCAs, 3 new amps, 6 6.5, 2 of these big old tweeters, 2 fans for the amps, these 2 big 18s, 2 excess batteries, and all of these distribution blocks and fuse holders and all of that stuff, and some new 0 gauge to run from one battery to the next. So yeah, I guess now I got all of this. I drew up some stuff to kind of get an idea of where everything was going. So yeah, the next is to get all of this old stuff out of here and figure out, I gotta do some measurements, but basically figure out how to make a stand in here to make it flat for that box to sit on right here. And then figure out, I'll probably bolt something into here, but I need to do, hold on a second. Yeah, I need to do some sort of anchor back here to hold that box still, because it'll sit up and down perfect like that whenever I make the floor in here, I'm gonna bolt it to the floor. So I got to figure out a way to bolt it back here, just to make sure, you know, you ride and you hit the brakes, you don't want the whole box to tumble over like this. So I need something to anchor it back. So I'll probably bolt something into these right here, or, you know, do something with the couple bolts that's already in there. But that's for once I get all of that going. Step one is going to be get all this old stuff out, and then I can get on making this floor. So I already got the battery out. You can see the main positive wires coming across here, and it is going through here down at the bottom. Let's see if y'all can see that, but it's coming out there and coming down. So go ahead and get all of this apart and get this power wire out, and that'll be the biggest thing that I have to do, other than, you know, take the radio out to get to the RCAs, which I think are running on the other side. So yeah, this will be the big part. Get some pliers and snip off all these zip ties holding that wire together. But yeah. So to get this whole middle piece off, you got to take off the seatbelt. So this is a 14 millimeter. It's the little stuff you don't really think about. But, I guess it's a long way to go before you can actually get it off with your finger, but yeah. Let me find a socket. A lot better. There we go. So that's done with. No. There we go. Whatever, so that's out the way. There's two little pushing things down here or something, but yeah, snapped way down here at the bottom, so those had to come out this way. But that's that. So carpet can come up. Camera tripping, but alright, carpet can come up all the way back. Except for this part. There we go. So yeah, now I can, of course, I just unhook this, and yeah, all of this just pulls right up. So it wasn't too bad. And now I can lay the next piece of zero, which will go to the battery, which is in the garage. But yeah, so not too bad. Just gotta do the other side to get the RCA's and speaker wires and all of that. And then it'll be time, once the wires are laid, it'll be time to plan out how I'm gonna set all of this up. Alright, so I think I finally got the design together for how this is gonna lay out. So again, I gotta build a floor for this part that'll hold the actual box. These bolts going across here, I'm gonna do like some kind of bar that'll be like a back brace or whatever. So I'll bolt that into here. I think I'm gonna go to Home Depot again, see if I can get some brackets or make something that'll bolt up here but come across. That way I can bolt it into the side of the box. It'll be bolted in the side and right here. So that'll hold the box from whopping forward. This is gonna be the floor part that I build up, and 2 amps here, that one there, the battery will be there. It'll be a hole in the middle. All the speaker wires will fall under, come under this, go to the back of the box. So I'm thinking that's how it's gonna work. So here we go.